ZenFlexONE IFU. So we're going to negotiate the block, make sure that we reach the apex with a size 10. And we're going to take our traverse glide path file, and we're going to put it on the traverse motion, which is standard rotary. And we're going to negotiate the glide path to the apex. Should be cleaning your flutes while you do that. And then we're going to again negotiate, clean all the debris out. We're going to take our ZenFlexONE and reciprocation motion, and go back in, and we're going to brush on the way out. So brushing on the way out meaning putting some curvical pressure on the curve till you reach working length, and that's basically working length, and you're done. And again, we can negotiate, and we're going to take, this was an 0625 primary file, we take our 0625 gutta percha, goes to working length. Negotiate with a size 10 stainless steel file. There we go. Traverse glide path. Recapitulate. ZenFlexONE primary file. Reciprocation. Your flutes. Recapitulate. Gutta percha fit. Okay, negotiate with a size 10 stainless. Then utilize the traverse orifice opener, the upper third of the canal. Recapitulate. ZenFlex glide path file. 0625. Clean the flutes. recapitulate. ZenFlexONE primary file set to reciprocation. And you're done. Go to Percha Fit. Brushing motion. Go in, as you come out, you brush. Go in, come out, you brush. Go in, come out, you brush. You can also brush on the internal part of the curve in your